Hey, what's up, everyone? Welcome back to Blue Collar Garage. My daughter just picked this car up. It's a 2016 Chrysler 300, and I'm not really fixing anything on it, but I'm going to be putting on some door sill protectors. Okay, so here's what they look like. I got them off of Amazon. They were only like 16 bucks, and you can check out the description. I'll put a link into them if you guys are interested. But it's almost like kind of a fake carbon fiber material, and then they got the sticky back. The one thing I didn't like about them was all four of these came in this little tiny box here, so that means they were kind of rolled up and folded in here, and you can still see some of the folds in them. But what I did was overnight I just set some weights on them to try and get some of these wrinkles out, and it worked pretty good, but still not perfect, and you can see some imperfections on them. Then you got your smaller ones here for the rear doors, and then your bigger for the driver and passenger door. Alright, so as you can see, this one did not come with the door sill protectors. Some of these 300 had the almost like a chrome aluminum that went right here. This one did not come with them. And you can see there's a few scuffs here just from getting in with your shoes hitting it and everything. So we're going to see if this will maybe help out a little bit. Nice and cheap. But it's going to go on there like that. I'll get it nice and even, and we'll see how it looks. But first I'm going to go ahead and grab some alcohol and everything, get this surface cleaned up really well before I stick it on. Alright, so like I said, I'm just going to clean this up. Just got some alcohol and a rag. I think that'll be good enough here. And then just kind of clean this up really well. Get any dirt and debris off of here. So I'll go ahead and unpeel it here. Like I said, I don't know how well these are going to stick since they're pretty cheap. Get it unpeeled here. Let's see. I'm going to try to get it even with the trim piece here. And probably about right there. So I'm going to try to get the center down first. So if I get that in down first, then I got this little tool here, just kind of like a credit card. Let's see if I can get some of these wrinkles out of here. And then let's see if I can fold it over this little ledge here. Alright, so kind of like that. Not too bad. I'll go ahead and leave this door open. Make sure this adheres pretty good. And let's go ahead and do one of the rear doors real quick. So same thing on the rear here. Got this already cleaned up. Go ahead and peel this off. And just go ahead and try to get it centered. Alright, so kind of like that. I'll go ahead and get the other side done really quick. Alright, so as you can see, you got the driver's side all done here. Really quick, I'm just going to take my heat gun and go over it real lightly, just pushing down on it, just to help it adhere just a little better. Alright, so I just finished up putting a little heat on all of those. And I'll show you the finished product real quick here. So there's the driver door. Looks a lot better. And you can see kind of folds down here, so that'll help protect shoes and boots from making marks on the paint there. Let's check out the driver rear. There's what that one looks like. And let's come around here to the passenger side. That's what that looks like. And there's what it looks like with both doors open. I think that looks pretty good, actually. And then really quick, for some of you people that are curious, I was kind of curious myself. I'll show you here. So if you close the door, I was kind of afraid that was going to rub and start wearing it off. But as you can see, the bottom of the door here doesn't even touch that part. So that should be good right there. And then, like I said, these are like 16 bucks on Amazon. I'll put a link in the description for the same product. And we'll see how they hold up here. Just not sure if they're going to stick through the Colorado winters here where I'm at, but we'll find out and see. So that's going to do it for the video. Again, this was a 2016 Chrysler 300, and I went ahead and put on some door sill protectors. And if you haven't already, subscribe to the channel, guys, and check out some of my other videos. Thanks for watching.